See, this is a petition filed by Goa Foundation saying that all mining which has taken place from 2007 till 2020 or up to 2018 is illegal, and therefore all the money which is there with the mine owners should be recovered in respect of all the mineral ore that was extracted during this period. Whereas the stand of the government is that insofar as these leases are concerned, whatever recovery is required to be done has been directed to be done by the Supreme Court, and on the basis of that direction the government has acted and already passed orders for recoveries. But as the Goa Foundation is claiming that the entire money should be recovered, such a direction was never issued by the Honorable Supreme Court, and therefore such a petition is not maintainable. And we have passed an order also to that effect. Now, when the petition came up today before the High Court said that insofar as the decision of the government is concerned, you have not challenged this decision of the government, despite you being aware of this order. So therefore the High Court said that your petition is not maintainable. And when it was put to the lawyer for the Goa Foundation, they were given some opportunity as to whether to pursue this matter or not. And finally they have decided to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file appropriate proceedings.